Hi everyone! Today is the day we're changing the old wheels for the new ones. Let's go!
Hi everyone. First, we will loosen the bolts and then leave the car with the jack. Here you go. Your turn. Alright, now we lift it up. Go, go. Stop. Oh, the bolts are coming off by hand. 1, 2, 3. And last, taking it off. Now,
Deflated?
yes, deflated. Now, let's remove the padlock. Padlock. Now, pull it out. Got it. Now we put on the new tires. Where is our rim? Now we put it on.
Now the padlock.
Yes, now the padlock. Give me the padlock. Press it down. And now we pump it up. It's fine. Bring the pressure gauge, please.
Okay, coming.
One atmosphere. Enough. We will let a bit out later.
Alright, taking it off.
Bring it here. Now let's swap them. Wait.
Now let's tighten it with the big wrench. And the last one. Oops. It fell.
Step back a bit.
Okay. Oh, the tire popped out.
Lower it. Spin it. It's your wheel. Alright, let's inflate it.
I got scared. Так.
Tighten it. When the tire pops, it's sitting, not exploding.
I thought it almost tore apart.
Так.
0.85?
No way, you guessed it right. Nice job. Let's put it here. This one is narrower.
Lowering it, right?
This side is done.
Yeah,
Moving to the next one.
let's go.
Now I will do the rear, you do the front. Let's switch places.
Так.
The other way.
I know.
Catch.
О! Так. Да.
Give me the wrench and screw the valve. Pull it out. Better like this.
Yeah,
Это ж...
this impact driver is stronger.
Now we opened our tire shop.
Yes. The padlock is fully off.
Опа.
Roll the new one.
Okay.
Come on. Give me the padlock.
Let's add some air.
Опа.
Grab the valve. Quick. You pumped so much, we will have to let air out.
No, I think it already deflated well.
Switching places. Pass me the bolts, please. Alright, last wheel now.
Так.
Unscrew it.
Bring the new tag. Put it on.
Oh.
Like this.
Take it off.
We need to wait a bit. I think we should have deflated more.
Let's measure it now.
0.8. Go ahead.
Alright, lowering car. So, let's see what we got.
Okay. The front wheels are now 1 inch narrower, size 9. And the rear ones are wider, from 10 to 11.
Yeah, narrower in the front and wider in the back.
And everyone who liked it, hit the like button. Bye bye!
Bye.